How to turn off camera swipe right on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time menu, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, ensure the toggle switch for content and privacy restrictions is turned on. Next, tap on Allowed Apps and Features and turn off the toggle switch next to Camera. Turning off the switch for the Camera app will remove it from your home screen. This action does not delete the app from your iPhone, it only disables it and hides it from view. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the camera on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.